Hi, my name's Sharon Lever, Vice President and Group Director at Forrester Research, leading our research agenda for CIOs, enterprise architects, and application development and delivery professionals. I see two key roles for cloud computing when it comes to digital business transformation initiatives. The first is to help accelerate CIOs' plans to simplify and rationalize their existing systems of record. So those systems that are very important to powering their business and have been for years, but aren't necessarily differentiating, especially when it comes to the customer experience. The other key role, though, is to be the underlying architecture for systems of engagement, for those solutions that are directly touching customers and driving the overall customer experience. Cloud's a good option for that because of the flexibility it gives you. And CIOs understand. In the past, they used to think of cloud as a cost-saving option. Today, they see it as a conduit for agility, something they desperately need to keep pace with rising and changing customer expectations. When you think about cloud in relation to digital business transformation, the adoption of cloud is interesting to look at. Software as a service is by far the most widely adopted permutation of cloud, with most organizations having at least one software as a service application up and running within the organization. In infrastructure as a service, that is growing as well in all of the different permutations, from public cloud to private cloud to hosted private and hybrid of all of the above, if you will. Those are all rising, and that's a good indicator that CIOs understand that there isn't a one-size-fits-all when it comes to cloud for their portfolio. They know that they need that flexibility to be able to deploy some applications internally on-premise. Maybe there's sensitive data, maybe there's regulations for that purpose. A lot of different reasons why they might want to do that. In other instances, they want to take advantage of the cloud, move quickly, have the flexibility, have the agility to change those solutions very quickly as customer expectations change. Hybrid cloud gives CIOs that option to be able to move their applications, their solutions to different implementations of cloud at their own pace so that they can constantly think about how they're going to create competitive advantage.